The Avengers are super real. Our hero is going on a walk when suddenly, muhahaha, ah, dead. Umbrail, you should be destroyed. You will never defeat me. Should we stop them? No, they have much fun. Blushing, simp. Still simping. Stop looking at me, creep. I can't. Once upon a time, 4.5 billion years ago, I'm of a huge planet. I will dominate this system. 274,000 kilometers wide. It's not all fun and games, you know. 191,000 kilometers wide. Oh, why not? It's a lot of pressure will make you lose radius over time. Yeah, whatever. Losing radius over time. Well, certainly means I am a balloon. Planets can't into losing merely radius without losing mass. Time warp. 1 billion X. Oh, it gets smaller over time. Time warp 1 times. Hey Jupiter, is the pressure of getting to you? Well, how big was it? Oh, it was also shrinking. It also started. Saturn also shrinking because now it's 116,000 kilometers. Hey, Jupiter, is the pressure of getting to you? I'm not wanting to talk about it. Saturn 116,000 kilometers now, with Jupiter 143,000. So of course he got smaller. So there's another